Here is how to boost your Snap score on Snapchat in 2025. So first you want to open up the Snapchat app, and then from here you're going to want to go to your settings so you can create another account. So click on that, and then from here click on the settings icon, and then scroll down and press log out. Now from here you're going to be brought to this homepage. You're going to press sign up. So this is how you can create an alternate account. So I have one right here. And basically what you're going to want to do is log into that alternate account, and from here you're going to want to search for yourself, for your main account, and then friend yourself. Now, since you've done that, you're going to want to go back to your other account. You're going to want to press the camera icon, and then press on the bottom arrow, and then you see the button for multi-snap. So you can send up to 20 snaps at a time. Now let's say you sent 20 snaps right here. You would edit and send, and then you would send to your fake account. Let's say you sent 20 to your fake account, so that's plus 20, and then if you log them back into your other fake account, and then you look at all the snaps, you get 20 more. So by doing that, your snap score will increase just by doing that.